Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubakmi ikatanat kampo ying polis uba Presiden Tensong haka kharwei trik jeliu ula ong bakaan kan lehi ya kawadan kam persya yaki kam bean jong keseng New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC. Kani kejing penpau Deputy Chief Minister Kalawan Nongru Shisngi hadian baki bor pulit kila yok ban kemno ya laingur ki dekat ke sleeper cell ke HNLC ki badan keti hakikam dawa pisa bat berngam ya ki babun ngur ki riu shimet. Haba keren syekelat patai kubor uba Preston ulaong ka an kan lehi ya ke badan kam omtang ya ke HNLC Henry ya ki no ki bale ya ki kam baman. Hagaju kapor ula kerpat ya ka HNLC bahkan sange shisendon ya baro ki kambean bat banwan phaipat syaka jingya keren yasung ka jingkerpat ka jonga ka longban sange ya ki kambean bat ki kambeman bat banwan syakmat ban ya trelang bat ka sorkar lembat baro lang na ka benta ka jingsngan bat ka jingkiu jong ka jelahi baro ka wei ula ongru ka long ka jing shisha bangila dep ban kerpat ya baro ki nongshong shnong ka jela baladadon kino ki bayok pediang ya ki shiti dawa pisa ne syak berngam berset laha kenu ke rukom ki deban pentep syaki bor pulit kenang bakin la ban le mardor ya ka badan kam habakeli u Deputy Chief Minister ula ong baka sorkar kala penpau syai kedar ba kalong persya ya kino ki kambean bat ki kambaman nalor kata ula ong hakawai pat kaliang ngadang yai kerpat na kapor syakapor baka jingkang na kebenta ka jingya keren kadang yai pli kumbangi la juliet nadu khama shua na kebenta ki dekhor ka HNLC kumta sa shisen pat ngabu ka jingkerpat ya ka seng hi barok kawai ba kanwan phai biang sya ka jingya keren kumbangi la dep ban sedang bat ai kan beteng hadu ka bakun.
The law takes its own course. I'm not saying only HNLC or anybody. Any criminal activities happen, be it anybody. Let me tell you one thing, the law will take its own course. So even the arrest that they made today, the police forces they made the arrest today, I will not say anything on this. Let the law takes its own course. But my only appeal to any concern, let us not continue committing any illegal activities or criminal activities and come forward, work together with the government, work together with everybody for the safety as well as for the growth of the state as a whole in Meghalaya.